Hughes Motorized. All right, so you're tearing ass down the road on your little motorized bicycle and whop, 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 you run out of gas. You got to make it home to get the premix. You don't have any premix. You pull in, there's a gas station. You go into the gas station. They don't have any 2-cycle oil. All they have is maybe some crankcase oil, 4-cycle oil. Can you run it? Yeah, you can run it. Go ahead. It's not ideal though, okay? I just want you to know that. We'll put that little asterisk there for any of you who get upset because I'm telling you to do this. They put detergents in modern oils nowadays, and the detergents don't burn so clean. They leave an ash. It's corrosive. It's not good. But if you're stuck and you need to get your butt back home and you're going to put a ½ gallon of gas in, well, how much oil are you going to put in if you're going to use this stuff here? You need to know that, right? So you're going to put right at 9.5 milliliters for 1/10 of a gallon. 1 gallon of gas, you're going to put 95 milliliters of oil like this in there. I recommend you keep you a syringe. Now this is a 150 milliliter syringe. Get you some of the smaller ones. I'll leave you some links down below. I'll also give you the some information, the ratios that you want to do. I'm basing this on a 40-to-1 mix, okay? So yeah, back in the day, people used to even burn crankcase oil, use crankcase oil in their little 2-stroke motorcycles, and they ran fine. They ran for years. They didn't have the detergents in them like they did now. So it's not ideal, but if you need something to get home, don't hesitate to use it, okay? Hey, if I helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Take care. Wear your helmet. Watch out for cars.